Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to tell you some useful idioms. 5 ऐसे useful idioms जो आपकी इंग्लिश को एडवांस बना देंगे. So let's start. नंबर 1 पे है when pigs fly. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे pigs तो कभी उड़ते नहीं है, but when pigs fly का मतलब होता है कि ऐसा काम जो कभी पूरा नहीं होगा. It means something that will not happen. For example, she will help us clean the house when pigs fly. Second number is call it a day. It means stop working on something. Means किसी काम को अधूरा छोड़ना. For example, if you are getting tired, we can call it a day and finish the work tomorrow. 3 number is hang in there. Hang in there का मतलब होता है धैर्य, तसल्ली, patience. For example, I know things are tough right now. Hang in there. 4 number पर है beat around the bush means to avoid the main topic. Means main topic को छोड़कर इधर उधर की बातें करना. For example, don't beat around the bush means इधर उधर की बातें मत करो. And last number is number 5, miss the boat means it's too late to do anything. Means किसी अपॉर्चुनिटी को गवा देना या फिर किसी चांस को गवा देना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सेमेस्टर हैज एंडेड एंड आई कैन नॉट गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट. You have missed the boat. So don't miss the boat and hit the bell icon and like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.